Hi, I'm Carlo from TU Delft, and in this video I will show you how to plot your Google Spreadsheet data on a geographic map for your website using the Google Charts APIs. Let's see how. This is the spreadsheet we want to visualize. Let's assume we are a group of explorers traveling throughout Europe looking for plants. Yes, we want to classify different plant species, and for every trip we make, we want to keep track of how many new species we find. As you can see in this spreadsheet, every trip is logged. Dates of arrival and departure are reported, as well as the distance we traveled on foot and the number of new species we found. Remember to keep the spreadsheet public and allow a list reading. Now it would be cool to have a nice map presenting an overview of our progresses, where for instance for each country the sum of species found is showed. For this purpose, a JavaScript API is provided by Google, namely the GeoChart from Google Charts. Let's move to our HTML document. First off, we instantiate a div element inside the body of the document, which we can call regions div. We will put all the JavaScript code inside the head tag, and then the first mandatory thing we need to do is import the script which loads the Google loader, sorry for the word pun. Then inside a new script tag we call the load function from the Google Charts package in order to load the packages we need. I suggest you to have a look at the links provided in this video's descriptions for a complete reference. In this example we assume to have a function named drawRegionsMap, which we have to pass to the setOnLoadCallback method. Moreover, we need to specify and send a query to our Google Spreadsheet whose data will be stored in a variable we called data. We define another function, let's call it drawChart, which we will call anytime we want to draw or redraw our plot. We need the URL of the spreadsheet and the query string, yes. We are interested in the country of each trip, logged in the column C of our spreadsheet, and in the number of new species found from column E. So we select C as first column, the sum of elements in column E as second column, and we group the data by country names in order to have one single row per country. Then we set the query and we send it. We also need to specify what to do with the response of this query, and we do that inside a function we name handleQueryResponse. Yeah, it's a very creative name. This is where we assign a data table to the previously defined data variable. Again, look at the descriptions for more information if you feel you need more details. Then we give a label to the second column of our table, and let's call it a new species found. And finally, we need to create a GeoChart object, passing our div element to the constructor and call the draw method, where this method takes two arguments, the data object and an option object, which we define and leave empty for now. Now we need to do one last thing, that is define the drawRegionsMap functions I mentioned before, in which we simply call the drawChart function. Now let's give it a look. Whoa, nice, yes! But maybe we want to center our map on the Europe, because we only explore European countries. This is where the option object comes in handy. These options are specified as name-value pairs, and the code corresponding to Europe is 150. There are several options that can be used. For example, we can change the background color. Let's use a light blue. And we can set the legend starting and ending color. Let's use 2 shades of red. Now let's have a look at our new map. Wow, yeah, here it is! A simple but super cool way to visualize our favorite geographic data. That's all folks, bye bye!